Alright, what you guys are about to see is a stupid and funny little skit we made. Tell us if you want to see more skits. It's based off of our skills with short films, and we're doing it based off of Mr. Epic Man. We really like him, so we're trying to make skits. So tell me what you think. It's funny, it's weird, I know, but tell me what you think. Alright, here it is.
You wanna watch like a Star Wars movie or something?
Sure.
What the frick?
What was that?
I don't. I'm gonna grab the pillow.
I got the pillow.
I got my pillow too. Let's go see what this is. I'll grab my phone. Okay, so there's something in our house right now. We're gonna go find out what it is. Some screech. Just be careful. Don't want to scare it.
Sit down, my puppy!
What is that? Die! Oh my god, I'm running! Yeah, stand still, I won't see you! Stand still! Die! What the frick? I'm gonna try to run to the other side of the room. Stay back. Stay back. We need to get back to the basement. This isn't safe. I don't see it. Good God. Do you see it? Let's try to make a run for the basement. This is not a time for farting. God! Don't leave me alone! Bird! There's a bird in our house! Hi! Get out!
Get in here, get in here, get in here, get in here.
Close the freaking door!
Close it, close it, close it, close it.
I can't! Because this stupid thing! What the frick was that?
I don't know. I think it is the rare man bird.
God, here it comes. Get down. Get down. Should we turn the light off? No. Okay, get down.
A scout.
This. Man bird, please don't kill us.
Save our souls, man birds.
We'll update you guys. We'll start filming again once we hear something suspicious. Okay? Don't go anywhere. Ah.
It just hurt. God, this is mental. Do you hear it, guys? Go away, stupid bird.
So we're good.
Oh, frick.
Oh my God. I don't know what that was.
man bird's doing something. Oh my god. Gotta hide. It's good thing we have Velveeta macaroni and cheese. So delicious. Buy now for $5 a package.
Okay.
Totally not sponsored. We'll update you guys again once we see the man bird. We're getting a call from the man bird!
Hello? I'm gonna put it on mute.
Oh god, it's coming!
Get it, Cletus! Get it, Cletus! Now, man bird.
Get it!
Sit down on the couch,
Get man bird! Come on, man bird!
Man birdie.
Come on, man bird!
Sit down.
Man bird!
Tell us what's wrong.
What's
Why
wrong?
you in our
Why are you in our house, man bird?
Man bird.
Man bird!
Man
Man bird,
birdie.
we want to be friends!
Man birdie, we want to make it friendly now.
Man bird! Okay. Well, we found out that man bird's just mental and he wants food. If you wanted food, you didn't have to chase us. Oh. Alright. Bye, man bird. I'll take that as a nah. Bye, man bird.
Man bird.
See you later, man bird.
Man bird.
Let's go. Well, that was interesting.
Well, it's not harmful, so.
The things that come in our house. We'll see you all later. God dang it, man bird, I swear.
I gosh it. I gosh it.